Welcome back to Kevin's Trooper channel. This is the channel where we do all types of DIY projects for overlanding and off-roading. I got a quick little project I wanted to share with you guys today. So if you've ever been inside a tight engine compartment and your air hose gets kind of bound up with your air tools, it can be a real pain. So I've ordered something to remedy that. What I have ordered is several of these multi-directional attachments to go on the end of my air tools. So all you have to do with this is attach one end to the insert where the air compressor hose goes, and then put your regular insert at this other end. So what I'm doing here, you can see I've already done my small air ratchet. I've done my impact, my 1/2 inch impact. Several of my other air tools, I already have these on. And I wanted to show you guys quickly how I'm installing these. So the first thing that I did was I removed the regular insert off of the air tool. And then I'm taking just a little bit of thread tape and putting on the new insert. The way you can remember which direction this goes is you're gonna spin it on in the same direction if you were threading this onto the tape. So I'm gonna take this and get it started, and just like it's righty-tighty, I'm gonna turn it onto the tape just like so. That way, as I go to thread this into the threads, into the female threads, it's going to want to tighten this circle, not loosen it. And what I'm going to end up doing is just inserting this piece into the bottom of the air tool like so. Now, do you see how that tape is tightening the same direction as what I threaded it on there? And then what I'm going to do next is just snug this up. Like so. And then I'm going to put my tape onto my new threads. And you want to make sure that your bottom is still open. And if it's not, you can peel it back just a little bit to where it's fully open. Now, what I've been doing to tighten this on here is I've been taking a wrench that's gonna fit just against this square piece like so. And then I can take my wrench that fits this outside piece and tighten it against it like this. And that's the best way that I've found to hold this, because this is not designed to put another wrench on. Now let's bring this over to the air compressor and see how it works. All right, we're just going to take this now and put it right on. And you see there's no leaks. And watch, no matter how I turn this, it's able to give. And keep in mind, this is going to loosen up a little bit the more it gets broken in. They're still kind of new, so they're a little bit tight. But the one that I've worked with the most is already loosened up. And any way I turn my wrist, it gives me slack for my air compressor hose. Just like so. So these things are going to be a great addition to my pneumatic tools. It's going to allow that hose to turn and give any direction that it needs to give there. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I've put these now on all of my air tools. And you can see it works with no leaks. So that's going to make a huge difference on getting those air tools into those confined spaces. But I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to out in the garage today. Give you a quick video showing you my little project for this afternoon. And I actually bought a bunch of these things, and I already have one on almost all of my air tools. So I guess that means I gotta buy more air tools because I got a bunch of these. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe because I've got some more cool videos coming up, and give me a thumbs up because you know it means a lot to me. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.